The roster that looks full but feels chaotic. There is a particular kind of exhaustion that comes from running an NDIS business where the roster looks full. Not the exhaustion of not having enough work. The opposite. The roster is full. Shifts are covered. Participants are being supported. On paper, everything is functioning. And yet the week feels relentless. Something keeps falling over. A worker calls in and it cascades. A shift confirmed on Monday is uncertain by Wednesday. A roster that looked settled on Friday has 3 problems by Sunday. Full but chaotic. And the business owner is spending enormous energy managing the chaos, not building, not thinking, not developing relationships, managing, reacting, patching, week after week. Here is what I want you to understand. A full roster and a functional roster are not the same thing. A full roster means the shifts are allocated. A functional roster means the shifts are allocated in a way that holds, that does not require constant intervention, that has enough structural integrity to absorb the inevitable variability of disability support work. Most NDIS businesses have the first without the second, and the gap between them is where the exhaustion lives. A fragile roster is one where coverage is heavily dependent on everything going to plan. When everything goes to plan, it works. When something changes, a worker calls in, a participant cancels, the roster does not absorb the change. It fractures. In disability support, things always change. Not sometimes, always. A fragile roster treats that variability as a problem to be solved reactively. A structural roster treats that variability as a condition to be designed around proactively. The difference is not how many shifts are filled, it is how those shifts are filled and what happens when one of them changes. 4 costs of a fragile roster. Leadership time absorbed by cascades. Every time a shift change cascades, someone spends time managing it. In a fragile roster, those cascades happen regularly. Across a year, the cumulative leadership time absorbed by reactive rostering is often 3 months of capacity, not strategy, not growth, roster management. Worker relationship erosion. Workers regularly asked to cover at short notice are making repeated withdrawals from their goodwill. They become less responsive. They make themselves less available. They move toward employers whose requests feel more balanced. And then the roster gets more fragile because the workers it depended on are less available. Fragile rosters deliver inconsistency. Different workers, last minute changes, handovers that don't happen because the replacement worker was not briefed. For many participants, that inconsistency is not just an inconvenience. It is a functional disruption. The financial cost of cover arrangements. Last minute coverage is almost always more expensive than planned coverage. Agency workers, casual premiums, overtime loading. In a fragile roster, these costs are structural. A permanent margin leak accepted as the cost of doing business. 6 principles that move a roster from fragile to functional. Designed redundancy. Every participant has a named primary worker and a named secondary worker, not a theoretical backup, a worker who has delivered shifts, knows the participant, and is a genuine first call when the primary is unavailable. Shift design for stability. Start with what the participant needs and work backwards to worker allocation. When participant need drives the design, the roster has a stability anchor. Shifts are built around what holds, not around whoever happens to be available. Communication standards for roster changes. A specific documented protocol for how changes are communicated. By who, to who, and within what time frame. Not dependent on one person remembering. Consistent, regardless of who is managing. A proactive roster review cadence. 15 minutes at the start of each week, asking what is at risk? Which shifts have coverage depending on a single worker with no backup? Where are the gaps likely? 15 minutes in prevents hours of reactive management during the week. A capacity buffer. A roster that is 100% allocated has no room to absorb anything. Maintain a small, intentional buffer. A percentage of worker capacity not fully allocated to regular shifts, available for cover, available for new participants, honest rostering conversations with workers. Workers often know exactly where the fragility is. They feel the last minute calls. Build regular conversations with your workforce about what is creating stress and what would make the schedule more reliable. Your one action for today: pick 3 participants from your current roster. For each one, ask if their primary worker was unavailable tomorrow, who would cover that shift? And does that person actually know this participant well enough to do it confidently? In most businesses, the honest answer to the second question is no. For each of those 3 participants, identify who the secondary worker should be. Schedule 1 familiarization shift in the next 4 weeks. 3 participants, 3 secondary worker relationships. A small investment that pays dividends every time something changes. And things will change. That is not a problem to be managed when it happens. It is a condition to be designed around now. Hit subscribe if this gave you a clearer picture of why the roster feels chaotic even when it looks full.